Gonna do a little nature tour here in Manassas. You can see we are at the cut and gonna enjoy ourselves on this beautiful day, July 29th or 30th or whatever the day is. All right, here we go. Wow, look at that. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. Sorry for disturbing you there, buddy. That, wow. Must be some pretty big fish there for a big bird like that, huh? Interesting. All right, buddy. Hope I didn't disturb your hunting. You can come back. What an awesome nature encounter. I mean, it's amazing because here we are, literally in the middle of Manassas. There's houses over there, there's houses over there. And we got this little stretch of nature. I guess you should thank God for the gas company, huh? A little bit of moisture over here, so we've got to slow down. And then the gravel. I love it. Just rolls right through. A monster. What? So we're gonna slow down. You know, you can look around your neighborhood, your area, and wherever you see these right-of-ways, these make for great mountain roads, mountain biking roads. Woo! What was that? Pro, stop recording.